Andy has got 3 Big Macs in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, set the record.
Yeah.
Spanish.
And it's king.
Spanish.
Yeah.
King.
So there's schools of them here. What does he have there?
Line.
Yeah.
What do you think it is? Mackerel? No?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Jay.
I know, but the black tango, thank you.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I tried to bring it in, but
All the fish are in the back of the boat right now.
Yep.
Another Spanish mac?
Yep.
All right, let me grab the net. Net. Or is it net? Here. That's 4 or 5?
4.
One more and you hit your limit. Well, you keep catching them, it can be for us, right?
Yes, absolutely. Awesome.
When it hit it.
Where is it?
Right.
All right, you want to grab the net, Jay?
Okay, yep.
Oh,
Don't lose
got
it.
this on video?
Yeah, I've got it.
All right.
There's a line here to my left that it's going
Yeah.
towards.
The net is right
Hold
up
on, Jay. Jay, get your line out. Get your line out.
Yeah.
The net is right up here.
All right, we'll get it. He's not even close. He's got a lot to Yeah, this is going to be a larger shark.
I better not fall in the water with that shark there, right? Where is he?
He's
Oh,
not.
it just got really.
Did you lose it?
It's like it just let go.
Ah,
Are you sure?
reel in.
Yeah. Okay, you're right. He just got really light.
Just reel in. Just reel in.
You got him. He's still there. There he is. He's a shark. Just bring him in. Your favorite meal, John?
Yep.
Oh man, he's a big bonnet. Is he a bonnet head or a round nose? A round nose. That's like a 4-footer or 3.5.
See if we can bring him back over here.
Yep.
Yep.
Good.
Smile for the camera.
Yeah. Have fun.
So how many mackerel so far? 5, 6?
I threw that.
Well,
one
I mean
back.
the
We have 5
caught.
and I think
5.
we have.
Well, you did 5 and Jay did 2.
No, you got one.
1. Okay, so
Yeah,
total
I got
6
one.
mac. Oh, he is a nice. Is he a bull shark?
Black tip.
Big one.
Yep, that's a black tip.
Oh. He might be too. I think he's too big for that.
Sorry, everybody.
It's okay. You almost had him. He's here. He comes back. He's coming back.
Yeah.
All right. stand
Just
back.
watch. Yeah, watch yourself, because you don't want to get bit by this boy.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing. Just
Okay.
I'm just putting her to sleep.
Right.
You're upside
Upside down. Oh man, that's like a 4-footer. Let me check. 32 to the fork.
32 to the fork.
Yeah.
And
Overall, probably.
so,
But his
see how I
body
got a hold
is.
of it?
Yep.
Be careful, John.
Careful, don't lose
Got it, John?
Actually, his teeth aren't that bad
Oh,
compared
well,
to other sharks.
Until they get a hold of you.
I know, but look at his teeth. They're not as bad as other sharks.
They're rolled back, is what they are.
Okay, he hasn't smiled at you yet. All right, let me get it. Yeah, I got it. You worry about the shark.
I'm trying to get out of his way. I gotta get my pole out of the way.
Another Spanish mac.
That's 7 Spanish mac.
Yep.
There you go, Jay.
You know that one?
Go ahead.
Willie Nelson and
Billy Nelson, yeah.
there you
Who
go.
was the
and Ray Charles.
great shark? Was it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Like a Spanish mac says?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, the fact this is a fish head, it's probably another shark.
Turn that down because you're gonna. Hold on.
Oh, you know, I just
Need to strap him down to like in the movie Jaws.
Go ahead and reel.
went for tension. That's coming pretty easy now.
Just keep tension because when you drop it, it
Got it. What do?
don't
Wind up on the downstroke, not on the up.
Right.
Right. You think he's bigger than the other one?
Yeah.
Could be about.
close to me, I'll.
No. You don't let him go. Let him go.
No, he just went. He came real close, but he was way too far down. There he comes.
He's almost tired.
Yeah, because you're.
Just let it go. Just let him. Let him tire out. Let him tire out.
He's coming. You're bringing him back right around to me.
When he saw the net, he was stuck.
Right. You need to. When you're gonna do the
I
net,
got it
you
in
gotta
the
do it
water.
really fast.
I can't.
Here.
I'm not gonna push.
Let me do it.
On top of the water, John.
He's not gonna get away. I think that hook is pretty. There
Here he comes. Here he
There he
comes.
comes,
Head
John.
right in. Head right in.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, that is a big bonnet head. Oh, come on. Now look what happened up here.
Yeah.
What is a bonnet head or no?
No,
Oh, it is
yeah,
a bonnet
bonnet
head. Another big bonnet head. All right. You want to do the net, Andy?
Yeah.
That's right above you. Just you can lay him on the side there.
Just trying to keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
He's not ready yet at all.
No, I'm gonna tie him out to the small
I think he might be bigger than the one I caught. A couple inches bigger. Yeah, let him tire out. We need a bigger ice chest, dude.
I'm liking this.
That's a good problem to have. One thing we can do is where we keep the food, we can move some of the ice cubes from the blue things from there to keep the fish.
You try to cut.
There we go, you got him.
I just went into it.
Yep. Loosen the, right here, Jay. There you go. Nice job.